Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use float and combination. First, let's go to our CSS HTML file and type float right. Save it, refresh your browser, and it's working. Next, I'll teach you the combination. Let's type here P, then P, close tag P. Then add in style sheet div P. Then let's change the background to background color to yellow. Save it, refresh your browser, and the background of paragraph overflow is yellow. That's it. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.